Everyone, I'm Shrish and welcome back to the channel Knowing with Shrish. And today we are going to talk about how can we install a compiler in our laptop or PC. The compiler which we are going to install today will be mainly used for C and C++, but this compiler can be used for other languages like Python and etc. You can check out the list on the compiler's website. I will give the link in the description box. So let's go and see how can we install this compiler in our PC. Let's get into the video. First of all, go in your browser and type Visual Studio Code C++. After that, the first link will come C++ programming with Visual Studio Code. Click on that. When it is open, go down and search for install a compiler. Here you will see example install mingW x64. Click on this msys2. A new page will open where in the installation process you it's written download the installer msys2. Click on this and download the exe file. After your download is complete, click on the exe file and install the msys2 software. Go through the setup and just install it. I have already downloaded and installed it, so it's saying the directory you selected already exists and contains an installation. So I just simply cancel it. Once you have downloaded and installed the msys2, search for msys2 or it will simply open automatically. If it doesn't open automatically, then search for it and open it. And when you have opened it, here you will see in the msys2 page there are three codes. The first one is pacman -syu and the second one is this pacman-su and the third one is this the long one. So you have to just simply run these three code in the msys2 app one by one like this. First one is pacman-syu and simply press the enter and it will install the necessary things. So run these three code and your mingW compiler will be installed. After you have done these three things, go in your C OS operating system or the Windows disk, and here you will see msys64. Open it. Then here you will see mingW64. Then go bin. Then when you have opened this, click on this and copy this. After that, right click on this PC, click on properties. Here you will see advanced system settings. Click on it and now click on environment variables. Now click on path and click on edit. After that, click on new and paste the link path that we copied in the folder. After that, press enter, press OK and then OK and OK. After that, when you will run your C file or C++ file, then it will automatically run. So you have successfully installed the mingW compiler in your PC. I hope you have liked the video. If you have, please do press the like button. And please do share this video with your friends and make sure to subscribe to their channel for more such videos on programming and other technologies. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.